Hi guys, I'm Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. So I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification guys. So if you're not subscribed. So the next interview question it may ask you, explain a join method of thread class. Explain a join method of thread class guys. What is the use of join method guys? Okay. So join method waits for this thread to die. Okay. Waits for this thread to die guys. Okay. So if we invoke join method by using any thread objects, so now this join method will wait for that thread to die, guys. Okay, till then, what it will do? Till then, it stops the furthermore execution of parent thread. Furthermore execution of parent thread. So we can explain with example guys. Okay, so let's have one example. So now I will copy previous example of child thread. Okay, I will copy the previous class of child thread. So now I will copy it here guys. Okay, so I will not write it again guys. So I will say the class name A103 guys, A103. So whichever thread will come for execution, that thread object, okay, we are receiving it here guys. We are receiving it here. Okay, we are receiving it here. Okay, and then that thread, okay, that thread will execute, okay, from 1 to 10. Okay, then every time we are going to print the object of, we are going to print the name of that thread, okay, along with the value of I. Okay, so then after, okay, so this will be the child thread class guys. Okay, so now this will be the our main thread code guys. Okay, so main thread code. Okay, so we will say thread main thread main thread. Okay, and now we will say thread dot current thread guys. Okay, thread dot current thread, and now we will say okay, some thread here, thread, okay, thread t1 is equals to new thread guys. Okay, and the object of child thread class, so like A103. Okay, and we will say the name of that thread, like for example I said Nagpur guys, Nagpur. Okay, then second thread, okay, I'm going to write okay, thread t2, and that thread we are creating for same class guys. Okay, but the name of that thread I will set it as a Pune. Then third one thread, okay, I will say t3 variable name, and A103. Okay, we created that thread for same class, but the name of that thread, let's say I write Mumbai guys. Okay, now all this thread, okay, we will start t1 dot start, t1 dot start, t2 dot start, t3 dot start. Okay, t3 dot, all three threads we are starting. Okay, so now then after we will write, okay, we will execute main thread, okay, by using loop also. So I will copy the code of previous example. Okay, now this is the execution of, this will be the execution of main thread guys. Okay, now you can see whichever thread, okay, whichever thread will come for execution, whichever thread, it means it will be the main thread guys. Okay, so now main thread name, that is main concatenate I. Okay, and then we are, okay, we are going the we are giving the pause for half second guys. Okay, so now I will execute this thread from 1 to 10 guys. Okay, so now main thread dot get name, okay, 500. Okay, so here also I'm giving 500 guys. Okay, so now you can see guys, along with the main, okay, so I will write some separation for, okay, like I will concatenate hyphen some hyphens here. Okay, so now you can see guys, so along with the main thread, all child thread will execute. You can see guys. Okay, main 1, main 2, main 3, okay, up to 10 guys. Okay, so now main 10, and then you can see guys. Okay, so we are not using here join method guys, so we can use join method at here. Okay, we can use join method at here guys. We can say okay, if I equals to, okay, I is equals to, okay, because this is the execution of main thread guys. Okay, so if I is equals to 4 guys, if I is equals to 4, if I is equals to 4, so now I can join, okay, t1 means Nagpur. Okay, t1 means Nagpur. Okay, the thread which is having the name, okay, Nagpur guys. Okay, So I will say T1 dot join. I'm going to join that thread to main thread. I'm going to join T1 thread with main thread, guys. So now you can see, guys, when main thread will be at 4, when main thread will be at 4, you can see, guys. Okay, you can see. Okay, main thread will be at 4. You can see. Okay. Later on, okay, okay, till the okay until the complete execution of Nagpur thread, until the complete execution of Nagpur thread, you can see, guys, Nagpur. Okay, Nagpur. So until the complete execution of Nagpur, okay, till then main thread will stop its execution, guys. Till then, okay, main thread will stop its execution, guys. Okay, so it will not wait for Pune and Mumbai, but we have already started those threads, so that's why, okay, they are executing. Okay, but okay, but like we can write condition at here, we can write condition at here, guys. Okay, we can say okay, if okay, we can say t dot get name equals ignore case like Nagpur. Okay, like Nagpur. So we can say, okay, one variable at here in integer number of times. Okay, so number of times default will be 10, so I will write on the place of 10, I will write number of times. Okay, so now, but I'm saying here, okay, if t dot get name Nagpur, t dot get name Nagpur's, okay, so then I will say number of times, okay, number Nagpur, okay, we have to execute, okay, only up to 5, guys. Okay, so now you can see, guys. Okay, you can see, okay, when main at 4. Okay, so now, okay, at this point, okay, we join Nagpur thread. So you can see, guys. Okay, Mumbai executing, Nagpur executing, Pune executing, Mumbai executing, Nagpur executing, and Pune executing, guys. Okay, but Nagpur completed its execution of on 5, guys. Okay, then after you can see, okay, main again start their execution, guys. So main executing along with Mumbai and Pune, guys. Got it, guys? So now you can write join method. Okay, you can join. Okay, you can join. Okay, all thread t2 dot join, t3 dot join, guys. Okay, t3 dot join. Now we can say run file. Okay, now until the complete execution of Nagpur, Pune, and Mumbai, okay, main will suspend their execution. You can see, guys. Okay, all thread completed their execution. Okay, and then after main will complete its remaining execution, guys. Got it, guys? So in this way, even we can write this join method at here, guys. Okay, even we can write that join method at here. We can say t1 dot join. Okay, t2 dot join, and t3 dot join. Okay, and now, okay, we will remove this code, okay, from here, and join method can generate an exception, hence we need to surround with try and catch. So once again we will write catch block at here. Okay, and then we will surround with try at here. Okay, try. Okay, then catch. Okay, so now you can see, guys. So we join, okay, t1, t2, t3 at here, guys. So now, okay, so main will not start its execution, okay, because this execution will stop, guys. Okay, because we join t1, t2, and t3 at here. Now you can see, guys, run file. Okay, main will not start its execution. Okay, before starting its execution of loop, okay, we join, okay, t1, t2, and t3, guys. Got it, guys? So this is the use of join method, guys. Got it? So join method, okay. What is the use of join method, guys? Waits for this thread to die, guys. Okay. Till then it stops the furthermore execution of parent thread, guys. Got it, guys? Okay. So thanks for watching. So if you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and share to your friends, guys. Happy coding, guys. Thank you.